Buy-in SAP Analytics is a data visualization solution designed for businesses of all sizes. It helps to build on the SAP HANA Business Intelligence platform. It offers business planning, predictive analytics, and more within a suite. It is featuring ERP and finance, HR and people engagement, business technology platform, network and spend management, supply chain management, and customer experience. Why choose SAP Analytics? It connects you directly to the platform and offers you multiple support options, including a knowledge base. It is a web-based software and also supported in iPhone and iPad. Explore detailed product overview and compare with other leading solutions with free trial availability for all at anytechtrial.com.